Welcome to Enterprise IT World.
Thank you,
With us
Barka.
we have Mayank. He's from Google in charge of strategic partnerships. So my first question to you is, what is the importance of AI in a mobile-first world?
Yeah, so I think as we look at how we work and consume information, right? So
Yeah.
that's all happening at our fingertips, specifically with mobile phones and
Right.
tablets across form factors, right? Now, what you really need to do is, in order to use the best of AI, right? While you may use it centrally while sitting at your desk, but you also need to have your self-enabled to use AI while you're on the road, while on the field, right?
Right.
Now, AI has the capability to transform all your tasks while you are working
Yeah.
on your mobile or are walking or talking to someone.
Yeah.
And the idea is to use the best available technology on the mobile phone itself, many of them which have on-device AI,
Yeah.
such as Google Android devices. And there's a lot that you can do using those tools directly on an Android phone, which is AI first and has been offering on-device AI since the last 2 years.
But also, like you say, it's a form factor and it's like a mobile, it's with you all the time.
Yeah.
So it's essentially, a personal assistant.
Yes, absolutely.
So, I'm treading into a territory which is like, you are shadowing the person, you know what is happening. So, tell us a bit about the pros and cons of AI there,
Yes.
or, how can we as consumers, protect
Yes.
ourselves?
So I think one of the key aspects is, like, for example, in the case of Android, we actually use on-device AI to protect the user from scams, from malwares directly.
Right.
So AI is obviously is an advantage in that
Right.
case, right? But when you are using AI, as we're talking about agentic AI, as you would have heard,
Yeah.
right? Now that can be a force for good, but that can definitely be a force for abuse as well. For example,
Correct.
let's say if the agentic AI takes complete control of your phone
Right.
and starts sending out information
Yeah.
or starts compromising your device or your data, right? So that can be a major problem, right? So I think that's a con in terms of when you give the full agency to the AI to operate. So there have to be guardrails in which AI has to operate, because if AI starts operating on its own without its guardrails, right, then it can be a real challenge not for you as an employee but also for the organization.
But the instance that you mentioned is going to happen when there is a malware or something, or
Yes. Yeah.
right. Not per se agentic AI, or maybe when you give permissions to
Exactly, as you rightly said.
Yeah.
It's all about you also being informed as a user that you have to give permissions to the right pieces
Right.
and also to the right representation, right? Because what happens is, let's say if there is a security software URL being sent to you, which is a phished URL, right?
Right.
So then you have to take a concerted call to ensure that you are clicking on the right URLs, you're doing the right things. And that's where also Android actually protects you, right? We actually offer better phishing control capabilities, scam protection, fraud protection natively on Android. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you,
It was
Valka.
really
Thank you.
nice
Nice
speaking
meeting
to
you.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.